Hello everybody, this is Dominique Houston. This is my SDI Week 3 review. I found it to be a bit more challenging this week, but to answer the first question, JavaScript seems to be getting better. I'm understanding it a lot more now that we're in Week 3, and I'm sure the more that I play with it and the more that I do some testing and just learning, the more I will understand. I had no difficulty with Git. I'm pretty familiar with Git and commits and everything. I did actually use the Mac app, even though it wasn't suggested to us, but I've had no troubles with it previously before, so that's why I went ahead and chose it. I did find that it was a little bit more confusing now that we did not have the arrows for the flowchart, but I was able to create my own flowchart. It took a little time, but I think that I did a pretty decent job, and hopefully I did everything well. And in terms of my code, I believe that I did everything, if not right, very, very close. And I did struggle with some issues with returning some of the functions like I did before. It wasn't previously touched on in class. And in the live sessions or some of the other documentation and videos how to return certain types of functions, so I did the best that I could. I found that having more constraints made it easier in some senses because originally I had created a large-scale project that fit my theme, which is a continued theme of the Britney Spears concert and how many shows she will perform and how many songs she will perform and the duration of each song and all that kind of stuff. So it's just a continued theme that I had been using. In terms of everything else, I think that I did okay. I'm interested in seeing the results and understanding everything and making sure that I did everything correctly. But I definitely did enjoy this assignment. It took quite some time, but it was definitely worthwhile, and I look forward to more JavaScript and learning how to really use JavaScript now that we're getting into objects, since I've heard a lot about object-oriented programming. So I hope that everybody had a successful week as well, and I look forward to next week.